YouTube, I'm back with another POV. Bruh, I see that, I gained some subscribers, like views as well and likes, and I've seen the comments, I see you guys like the big body Toyota a lot. Like, you guys like the big body Toyota a lot. This one I gotta drive, I don't got an option, but I will be driving the big body Toyota. And I even like it myself too, so yeah. Until I'm able to drive it again, I will, which is when, like, somewhere next week. So yeah. But I've been seeing you guys are blowing up with, like, I've seen the views, they're like skyrocketing with that big body Toyota. So yeah. Damn, that's crazy. 100 just like that. I think I was at like 94 when I first started. 100 just like that. Wow. Yeah, damn, that's actually crazy. Damn. Well, thank you guys, for the likes, and subscribing, So yeah, road to 150. Well, by the end of the year, we're probably gonna get what, 20K subscribers by the end of the year. I know that, Don't mind the, how they call it, the beeping noise. I think something needs to be like fixed with it, so yeah. By the way. Okay, let's get see that Porsche right there in the corner? Wait, I can't see that. Alright, cause somewhere over there. But yeah, thank you guys, don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear like a lot of road noise as well. So yeah, because I'm kind of hearing it a lot. About to end the video. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys as well again for the views, subscribers. So yeah.